How to earn money with CryptoBot beginners tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can earn money with CryptoBot. So let's get into it. Now, before you actually get started with any of the CryptoBots that you might have seen, you're going to choose the best CryptoBots for you. So you can see that there are so many different blog posts available talking about the different CryptoBots that are out there in the market. You can definitely check all of those out to see which one might be the best option for you. You can find whatever you might want. There are free and paid CryptoBots available, and the one that I'm going to be using is CryptoHopper today. I am not an affiliate, but it is a CryptoBot that I have found to be pretty nice and efficient to use for making some easy money as a beginner. So you can get started with CryptoHopper or any of the other bots. You can just Google a bunch of different lists for CryptoBots and you will see the top picks out there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto CryptoHopper.com, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click up on start here, and what we're going to do is we're going to create our account by entering our username, email, and password on the right side of our screen. So you can see over here that I have entered all the information. So I'm just going to click on create account, and I'm just going to go ahead and enter a more unique username. So just like that, I have entered all the information. Now you're going to get an email in your inbox. So we're going to open up our inbox and verify that we have actually created this CryptoBot account. So just like that, you're going to find your email, and then you're just going to click on activate account over here. You can also choose to sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple directly to skip this verification process. But if you want to sign up by email, you can do this. And now you're going to enter your basic information. So we're going to enter our name, and then after that, you're going to select your exchange. So you can sign up for free at Binance. You can check out any of the platforms that you want. You can connect Binance and connect your actual real funds with your API key and API secret. Now, if you don't want to, directly start with your Binance account and, get your crypto money encrypted within CryptoHopper or any other crypto bot, then you can click on stimulated fund and you can click on Binance USD, and you can use a simulation account to better understand how to use it. And then later on, then you can choose to, customize your own crypto bot and link your actual crypto wallet to it. Now, you can choose to follow signals or build your own bot. I would recommend as a beginner, go with follow signals, and you can choose your signaler, so the person that is going to help you out, or you can click on build your bot and choose to build your own bot in your own way. A lot of CryptoHopper works on templates and different overviews, so you don't need to know a lot about it. You can simply just run a few templates to better understand. So let's have a medium-term strategy with less risks over here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to enable your hopper and enable buying and enable selling, and then you can click on start trading over here, and you can see the coin list available over here. You can change that later on, and this will be your CryptoHopper account. So once you have created your account, you're going to see your open orders, you're going to see your open positions, summary reports, and all that. On your left, you have your navigation panel, and you have your Binance BUSD, you have your trade history, stats chart, backtesting strategies, templates, marketplaces, and you can go into the template sections to have your market templates and go into the market to download some templates. But to get started with setting up our own CryptoBot or CryptoHopper, or Hopper as they call it, we're going to click on Hoppers on the top left over here, and then you're just going to click on add new hopper, and then you're going to choose which one you want to create. So I usually recommend for beginners to create a auto trading bot or a market maker. So I'm going to click on the auto trading bot over here, and then you can choose which platform you want. So we're going to go ahead and go with Binance USDT, and then you're going to use paper trading. So if you're using your actual funds and connecting your actual Binance account, you're going to enter your API key and API secret. But if you're going with paper trading, which is going to be a stimulated trade, a AI trade, you could say, then you can just enable this, and this will just be some sample trading for you to better understand how to set up your bot. Now, once you have done that, your hopper has been configured and will be based on the selected position. And you can see over here that if I click on my hoppers now, I have my Binance USDT hopper, and then I have open positions. So you can begin creating your open positions and your closed positions as well. And this is currently our hopper is idle, but you can begin by acting your live feed and errors only as well. And then what you're going to do is we can click on over here, and you have your manual buy order, and you can select a specific coin from over here, and you can limit and market it as well. So let's say I want to add 3 BTC. So we can click on place buy order, and now this is just a simulated account, so there is no money in the account to actually purchase this, but you can actually begin setting up your trading and selling options as well. And then you also have the conversion options on your crypto hopper as well to begin your actual trading. So let's say if you want to begin with your paper trading and deposit your funds, so you can click on deposit over here, add the amount that you want. So let's deposit for BTC. Then you can also click on withdraw over here to begin your withdrawals as well. And this is going to be how you can start making money with a simple crypto bot by setting this up in this fashion. Now, you also have short positions, you have reserved funds, you have open positions, so you can begin setting up your timetable and having your hopper activity monitored on your dashboard as well. Now you can see once you have entered money into your crypto bot, now this is just a paper trade, so you can deposit as much as you want. Let's say I'm going to deposit this much into my account. So once you have deposited money into your crypto account in your paper view or even in your actual view, what you're going to do is on your left side, you can see all these buttons. You're just going to go into your configuration, and on your left, just below configuration, once you click it, you're going to have a drop down menu. And the drop down menu, you will just select base configuration over here. And once you do that, you're just going to select your buy settings. So you're going to click on buy over here, and then you can customize these however you want. You can click on coins and amounts over here, and you can select your allowed coins and selected coins. So let's say I want BTC, I want Ethereum, I don't want NEO or anything else. So I can select the coins that I want and the ones I don't want, and then you can add the percentage amount and the minimum USDT amount per order. And you can also set a maximum to also be able to better manage your risks. So you can enter a maximum as well, and then you can also have your strategy factors customized from here. So you can click on save once you do that, and once you click on save, your new strategies would be applied to your crypto bot. You also have your selling settings, so you can take profit at 7, order type market or limit, or you can also have a max open sell time to sell, and you also have your stop loss settings. So let's say you BTC at $10,000 and you were expecting to make money off of it, and you were expecting it to go to a higher price, but all of a sudden the price is lowering. So you can choose to stop your losses, which means to whenever the price would start decreasing, you can set up your bot to start selling it. So I would set it at, maybe I don't even want to take a 5% loss, maybe I want to stop my losses at 3%. So I would stop the losses at 3%, and I would click on save over here. So my bot would save these settings, and now whenever I was doing my Binance trading, it will have all of these things in mind. So there are many other ways you can set and customize your crypto bots as well. And you can see Crypto Hopper is available for free. You can set up 20 positions with manual trading and exchanges as well. But as you make more money with crypto bots, you're going to have to upgrade onto a different version as well. And then you can also go on to Explorer, which starts at $16, Adventure, which starts at $41 per month, and the Hero version of Crypto Hopper, which starts at $83. And you can also go on to Fiverr or Upwork to hire a freelancer to set up your crypto bot for you if you don't want to go through the hassle yourself. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.